I've been testing this cordless vacuum cleaner for the past couple of days with the actual messes in my home. Let me walk you through my experience. This video is made in collaboration with NUUK, but like always, experiences and opinions are my own. Many of us use these vacuum cleaners for mattresses, sofa and upholstery cleaning, like for curtains. So let's start with that. This vacuum has dedicated attachments for each of these. The mattress care attachment is motorized. So along with the 34,000 PA suction, it is able to deep clean the mattress with reasonable ease. Due to static buildup, it's generally tough to get some hair out of mattresses. This vacuum is able to do that quite well as well. There's also a dedicated curtain care attachment. This is not motorized. This is a bit cumbersome, which is the same for all vacuum cleaners, but because of the way that we need to hold the vacuum cleaner for cleaning. There is also a crevice attachment called the slim reach that can be used to pull out dust from the crevices of our sofas and mattresses. This is very useful. Now let's come to the floor attachments. I scattered dust of various different sizes to see how well the vacuum cleaner is able to vacuum it. A bit of fine dust in atta, medium-sized dust in tea leaves, and larger dust particles in rice and Maggi. The NUUK REN PRO has a motorized floor roller attachment which is able to pick up every last bit of dust in 1 or 2 passes. Even on wooden flooring, it is able to pick up these dust with ease. For carpets, we can change to the carpet roller on the motorized floor attachment. With an adjustable suction power of 34,000 PA, the NUUK REN PRO vacuum cleaner is able to pick up dust quite easily without multiple passes. The NUUK REN PRO also has a flexi stick that can swivel by 90 degrees, so it can easily go under sofas and other furniture for cleaning. There is also an LED light on the roller brush to be able to see easily under the sofa when it is required. It also has a 270-degree horizontal swivel of the brush, so it makes it easy to maneuver the vacuum cleaner near the edges and the corners. Now speaking of edges and corners, the results speak for itself. Surprisingly decent for a vacuum cleaner, although very minute dust at the corner may still require special attention. The other main problem many of you have asked is about long hair getting wound up in the brushes. It can obviously pick up long strands of hair with ease, and it is fairly straightforward to remove it from the brush if it is stuck as well. If you want to take a break when you're cleaning, you can easily leave the NUUK REN PRO standing without any support, which is extremely convenient. The other use of this vacuum is dusting. There are 4 main dusting brushes for different types of uses. The main unit comes with a dust quick brush, so there is no need to change or add any attachments to quickly get started. This is very useful for quick dusting jobs. The next is the gentle clean attachment, which can be used for cleaning delicate artifacts. The third is the clean master attachment, which can be used for other general dusting purposes. And fourth is the slim reach attachment, which we already spoke about earlier, which is used for crevices. In addition, we can also use the extendable stick to reach hard to reach places like fans. Now the main unit of the vacuum cleaner is about 2 kg, so it is light enough for quick dusting and vacuuming job. When additional motorized attachments or sticks are added, the weight goes up to 4 kgs. The batteries are detachable, and additional batteries can be purchased separately to extend the runtime. Generally, that is not required, as vacuum cleaners like this are used for small dusting jobs. There are a number of different running modes in this vacuum. When it is set to auto, the adaptive suction technology ensures the suction power changes based on the amount of dust that the vacuum sucks. For example, higher suction is used for carpets and mattresses, lower for general floor cleaning. This adaptive suction helps to increase the run time of the vacuum cleaner. If we want longer runs, we can set it to eco mode. It runs at lower suction power for a longer period of time. If we want intense cleaning by default, we can set it to max mode. It runs at a higher suction power for much lesser time. For even more deep cleaning, we can set it to turbo mode. This gives the least amount of runtime but the maximum suction. It's useful for those tough vacuuming jobs. All the dust is collected in the reusable bin, which has a multi-cyclone steel and HEPA filtration system, which eliminates the dust from coming out of the bin and also protects the motor. The collected dust can be emptied with a single click. Periodically, we can also wash the parts and attachments under running water and dry it completely before using it again. So in summary, if you're looking for convenience in keeping your home clean, this cordless vacuum cleaner delivers, and how. The suction is adequate for most of our household dust, and the battery life is sufficient for day-to-day cleaning jobs. Check the current price and more details of this NUUK REN PRO vacuum cleaner from the link in the description. You can also get live demos of the product on their website. Now, if you found this video useful, share the video and subscribe to become part of the 1.7 lakh plus community that trusts us with their decision making. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.